Hi, I'm Tony Stefani with Hillside Christmas Tree Farm, and we bought a new toy. We got a Wallenstein BX42 3-point chipper. This thing is advertised to do up to 4-inch. We purchased it earlier this year used with the idea that, we are I'm clearing out the Russian olive, the wood lines, and the trees that I'm cutting down have the tops, and instead of piling them up and burning them, we decided that we can always use chips around the farm, around the trees, fill in muddy holes. So I've always wanted a chipper. It's been on my list, and I'm glad we finally got it. So we're gonna kind of process some of the tops for the stuff that we can't burn for firewood around the barn or when we're selling trees. So we're gonna chip it up. So yeah, let's watch how it's done. So that was my first day really heavily using this chipper. It did exactly what I wanted. I got all the tops cleaned up. Made a nice pile of chips inside the back of the trailer. Again, we used the tarp just to make sure that we don't get any between the runs, and then as we're driving down the highway or something like that, stuff's coming out and hitting the cars behind us. Don't want to do that. All right, thoughts on the chipper. Again, it did exactly what I wanted. The hardest part is it's like a self-feeding, you know, the cutting blades help kind of pull in the sticks and the wood as it's being chipped. And the problem is if you have a Y or something like that, or something kind of bushy on the end, is, you know, it doesn't take much to kind of pop that out and render that self-feed pretty much useless. So you kind of see me turning the sticks around and kind of forcing them in. Safety precaution, there's a flap in here to keep stuff from, you know, chucking back out. You know, common sense, don't put your hand too far in there to get your fingers cut off. I don't physically think I can reach my hand. Like, I'd have to really get in there, you know, because from the blades to the end of the throat is, you know, 3.5 to 4 feet, kind of depending on where you're at on the angle. I didn't hear the tractor bog down in anything. I put some, you know, pretty close to 4-inch stuff down in it, and yeah, I think it did awesome. Talked about the clutch. We put a clutch, PTO clutch, on the tractor. That way, if we do get something in there, we're not going to damage the tractor. I know there's a shear pin on the PTO shaft for the chipper, but just another layer of protection for the equipment. So yeah, I think that's it. Today, I think we're going to wrap it up. We cut the firewood. You know, we're done planting the trees. Just wanted to do this part because they're in the area that we have to start mowing and make it look nice for everyone to come visit. So the chips will go probably on some of the roads where we have some ruts and things like that. And that's what we use that for. And maybe around the flagpole areas where we don't want to weed whip or things like that. So that's kind of our plan. It's a good day. Great day to do this. Overcast, not very hot for middle of May. And yeah, all right. Well, thanks for watching.